Hi guys, this is Renault Gamer. Today I'm playing with Zoe. Today we're playing, as you know, what we always play: natural disaster survival. Whoa, is that a guess? I think this is a guess. Yes, a guess.
No, no.
Is that?
It's not a guess.
Oh,
Laboratory.
you're a bad speller. Bad speller name. A name speller. A bad name speller. Oh, I can. Oh, let's see here. Are you here? You here? Oh, you're here. 82. You're here. Get this off of me.
Whoa. Yes,
Get off. Oh, there. Where are you? Oh,
Here.
I'm gonna secret. Yeah, sneak attack. Sneak attack. You'll never catch me. You'll never catch me. I'm a fast furious baby. I'm a fast furious baby.
Oh no, not this.
Sneak attack. I just sneak attack.
No. You didn't think it me because you.
Ah, sneak attack. Oh man, you push me. Why? Sub, it might be a good when we are in the second floor. Let's go here. Sneak attack!
No.
Sneak attack!
What's it? No.
This might be good. So, go down. Oh!
Stay in those. Okay, I'm just gonna stay.
I'm gonna stay here.
No.
Where are you
Not
gonna stay?
that.
Where? Oh,
Gonna die
jeez!
there.
Someone died there. Don't touch that. It's hypoallergenic.
Stay indoors.
Oh, sorry.
Go here.
I got the first person view. Sorry. There. And I'm here. Oh God! I almost died.
Don't. Oh my God.
Did you almost die?
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna kill myself. Can you watch me?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're not dying now.
And I'm dead.
Are you in the little boy?
Nope. But you are. You're there. If you reach 1,000, you'll be in the top survivor. Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna tell you.
Oh God! How did I die there? I just pushing.
I thought you were gonna leave game.
No. Oh.
I'm just gonna reset
Oh.
this game.
I just land on top of you. I can see you. You. There's Buddy. Buzzy, where do you think he's going? Oh, he's coming. Oh. Sneak attack!
Ah!
Did you just
died.
pass me?
Okay.
Sneak attack! Ha! Sneak attack! Ha! You'll never. Oh! Come on! Let's go
I'm
here.
gonna go to this.
I think it's not a good idea to go there.
Don't.
Oh no! They're pushing me. So, oh! How did you die?
Yeah.
How did you die? Slow. I'm just gonna chillax here.
Oh no.
No! Please don't tell me. Don't tell me it's a...
Tornado.
Nope. Oh God.
You're there. I'm watching you.
And I'm hiding.
Flag!
Let's
Okay.
go! Come on, bro.
Come on,
You can
bro.
do it. There!
Come on.
No! Oh! Come on! I hate those players. I hate all players. I hate all players. Sneak attack! I just sneak attack you 3 times. That's a record. No one sneak attacked me for 1,000 years. Yeah.
I wish you died.
Well,
What the
watch
heck?
me.
There's a cracker.
Watch me. Oh, you. I don't. I'm just. Oh, I'm just gonna. I was about to jump on your body, but you gone.
Okay, guys. So
Oh!
please
I
join,
hate.
please join our group. The name of the group is That's So Ashley OG Squad.
Yeah.
But it's not. My video is not ending yet.
Yeah. Sub, did you say kill? I hope I'm gonna die. And you wish can grant. Oh, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Come on. Ooh, good idea. I'm just gonna stay outside for a second.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay outside.
Oh, how did you do that? I'm just gonna wait for anyone to
climb.
Yeah, climb. And then
I'm
no
just
one
gonna
will
try
push me.
to.
Come on, climb. Climb.
Okay, this is taking long.
They're all pushing up. Oh, somebody's pushing them back. So they. Oh, okay. No, please don't.
You're gonna die, guess. Guess.
He's blocking the way.
Report him.
What's his
Okay.
name?
Volcano.
Oh God!
Told you. No.
Sab, I'm gonna get to the volcano.
Okay, I'm just gonna get to the volcano. But don't please try this. Don't try this.
Oh God!
Don't try
I'm in the volcano. Oh my God! That guess. Oh! I died.
Ah!
How did I die?
Because you're the noob.
Hey, I'm not a noob. You're the noob.
Oh no, not that. That's a volcano.
Touch that.
No.
You'll die there. It's raining bodies. It's raining bodies.
I'm just gonna go to the volcano. No, don't.
Kill yourself. Oh my God.
No. Don't touch the volcano. Because you will die.
Oh my God.
No.
What now? In the peace of God, what was they doing? I need to jump. No, I died.
Oh no. That's the volcano.
Get away.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
survived.
Why? Sub, get in. Your wish will grant. Come on, say your wish. Did you say? Look at me. Wish granted. Wish granted. You said I'm gonna die. That's the wish.
No. Oh my
And
God.
I'm here. I'm on your back and sneak attack. This again. I hate this place. Come on, Sam. Let's go to the second floor.
I know, right? Oh no.
Why do you? I'm just gonna go to the second floor.
Okay, if you know That's So Ashley OG Squad.
Wait,
is
I
like-
got another group for you. Mrs. Punchy group. He's a YouTuber too. And
Oh yeah.
oh my
Yeah,
God, a
yeah,
tsunami.
Tsunami, I like tsunami.
And he's a YouTuber. If you join his group, he will invite you and make a video with you. Oh my! No!
Okay, my
I almost died, Sav.
our cousins in here. Say hi, hi. Hi.
Say hi. Why don't you say hi?
Say hi.
Okay.
Oh no! Tsunami is coming!
I don't think that's a nice place to go.
What the heck is this? No!
Oh my god!
What the heck?
I'm
is
gonna
this?
go down. I'm gonna go down. Oh my
I
god.
see you.
Sub! I am so freaking
I
out.
survived.
Me too.
Okay.
I am so freaking out now.
So,
It just fall. Ah, that was hilarious. I'm outside. So, die.
you don't want to go.
Oh yeah.
Yes!
And oh, you received 20 points. Really? Really?
I received
Oh, there.
10 points. Are you really kidding me?
You just backflip. And oh man, I'm just gonna sneak attack you in that.
I'm so lagging right now.
Yeah! Can you do that?
I've been at work. I wish I have Robux.
Me too.
You didn't know? There's a... You see this? You see this? I never thought...
Oh my god!
Oh, no.
I'm getting the house up in this house.
I'm just gonna go to the...
We're locked.
Sit.
We're locked.
Every time, so
Sub, we're locked. Oh.
if you hear that noise... Okay, I'm just gonna go to the...
Oh my god, I'm gonna go here. First person G. And
Thunder...
oh yeah! I'm a genius. I'm so... I can get out! Come on, pop out. Oh,
Yeah,
God.
that's what you get for sneaking attack me!
And oh god, I get out! Come on. Don't get it. Don't get it. Please don't block me. No! I don't want to die yet. I don't want to die. I don't want to die yet.
Oh. I'm just gonna go to stay indoor.
So, I got to block you. You'll never get in.
I get it.
Well, let's race on the top.
I don't want to.
Oh my god. The windows.
You said you. Okay. I'm just gonna. Okay,
Alright.
I'm winner. I'm the winner. I'm going up. I'm going up. No, my.
I am winning.
No, I don't want to.
Bleh.
Please die.
No way, bro. Yeah! That's for getting out. That's for stalking me out.
Yeah.
Savina, there's no Sonic B2. Oh. So guys, this will end the video. Sorry for interrupting you. Sorry guys. If you know my name on Roblox, my name is Sonic B2.
And my name is.
Savina Pluri. And join our group, That's So Ashley. Yeah.
Yo,